and welcome to Raymies garage. This is my wee problem of the day. I haven't had much bother with the car for a wee while, but driving home from work and noticed there was a noise coming from the inner wheel arch. Let's see if I can get this light to work. There you go. And I noticed that there was something happening in here. And there, see there, this seems to have ripped right up here. So it is. So something must have caught the wheel. Put that in there. Something must have caught the wheel and ripped that whole interior. There's a lot of material up there. I don't know, it was a bird or something. But so I'm going to take the wheel off and take all that inner wheel arch out and see the damage. Right, so I'll get it jacked up. I've got my wee dolly under it. Makes it easier to take the wheel on and off. Okay. Go. See if you're humping it off. Yeah, so I think that might have to come off. Yeah. There we go. That's got to be better. A bit better, look at that. So there are several bolts up here. I think the holes actually are supposed to be in there, which I've not put in for whatever reason. But there it's there, look how much that's split. It's a single piece, but it kind of splits in the middle. Yeah, look at that. I just say you could probably repair that, but I'll get another one, get it fitted. So I managed to get this second hand one. It does look a wee bit dirty, but it's certainly not cracked, and I'll get it over here just to do a bit of a comparison with it. Hopefully I've got it right the right way. Yeah, it looks much the same. Same holes each side. Aye, that looks actually okay. So I got that off eBay. I didn't ask how much these were when they were brand spanking new, because they're probably a few £100. So I got that for 80 quid delivered from eBay. Pretty quick. 2-day delivery, wrapped up fine. So I'm going to get the pressure washer out and give that a blast. Try and clean it up a wee bit. So that's me cleaned it. Lots of wee bits of grass in there, but just can't get that out at all. But that looks fine. Be happy with that for being second hand. For all it is inside the wheel arch. So we'll get it down and we'll get it on. All that dust out it and get a wee pressure wash. Could be doing a bit better, but that's fine. Right, let me see if I can put this in. Certainly isn't that way. Probably be slightly easier when it went in. Just start at one end here. Now that wee hole there, if you can see that hole there, there's a wee grommet up here, or a wee screw, so I'll try and get that one first. If I can feel it. Anyway, that's fine. Pretty happy with that. For all it is. So I'll get that wheel back on. Next journey in the cars just to get new tyres, so it's only 2 minutes away, so I'll get them ordered maybe tomorrow, and I'll get probably 4 new tyres on the car. So we'll get that back on. Feeling up to it. I might even wash the car today. Just keep this in a line. Saves you humping this wheel, that's the thing. So, let's get the wheel nuts and put them on. Now, so these wheel nuts, these are the ones with the covers on, and they're a nightmare, a total nightmare, where the covers start to peel off and they swell up from the inside, and your 22mm socket won't go on them. I do believe you can get solid steel ones. I think Apprentice Pat bought them for somewhere in China and lasted about a week before they were all discoloured. So we'll try and keep these as best we can. Get this off. This certainly helps to align the wheel like this. That thing there, it's just to align the wheel. I think I got that from Powerful UK, from Simon. I can't remember how much it was, but it's certainly a handy wee device. Wheel nut. There we go, that's us torqued to spec. And next port of call is new set of feet for us, hopefully this week. And that's about that. So a fairly quick wee job today. I'm quite happy I got that second hand one from eBay. Can't really see much in there, but there you go. A simple job. So I think that's all for us today, guys. Not much more going on in the Range Rovers, hence the lack of content. There is a wee noise coming from the other side of the passenger front. I think it's just the brake kind of rubbing, so I'll need to get that off as well. But nothing much more going on in this 2013 Range Rover. It's working fine, drives superb. Apprentice Pat's got a number of problems. We just haven't had time to get it done. Oil cooler, various other bits and pieces, but we've got a couple of days off and for the weekend, and we'll get stuck into it, and we'll share that with you. But that's us for the day, guys. Thanks for watching. Cheers for now.